Just started with your first job? Just started with your first job? Before you celebrate, ask yourself this: how will your money work for you starting today? According to a recent survey, 65% of Indian professionals in their 20s and 30s have no emergency fund and don't start investing until actually it's too late. Hi, I'm Taresh Bhatia, a certified financial planner CFP, founder, The Richness Academy. I've helped over 10,000 individuals and families, professionals, couples align their income with their life values. And today, let's talk about how you can do that today. How do you take 3 smart steps to secure your financial future, starting with a new job in India? So you got your first salary, or you just started in your first year, and you're thinking your first one maybe, and now you're wondering what next. I'm going to give you 3 smart steps that will protect your financial future while you enjoy your today. Stick around with me till the end, because I'm going to reveal a powerful bonus strategy most new jobbers ignore at their own risk. 3 smart steps. I'll explain now. Now, creating a 40, 20, 20, 10 rule money system I explained in the other video. Watch that video. Divide your income in that manner. 40% for your needs, 20% for your wants, 20% investing, 10% here I would say for in emergencies, and 10% giving out self-care. An example that today you're starting your salary and you're wondering, how do I bifurcate this on a salary, let's say, of 1 lakh rupees a month? Let's take an example of this. So divide your salary accordingly, and 40% could go towards your needs, 30% could go towards your wants, 20% could go towards your investments, and 10% keep for the first year for the emergencies. Now, a 50,000 salary, start with a 5,000 SIP. Keep 5,000 in a liquid fund and live stress-free. That's the top 1 step I would take, because we're learning how to take 3 smart steps to secure your financial future today if you're starting in a new job in India. So step number 2 is automate your savings and investments. Rich don't save what's left after spending. They invest first. Start a SIP, a systematic investment plan, on the day of your salary when it is credited. You don't lose money, you buy freedom. Start with the index fund or a fund, large cap or equity, or which you understand, maybe take the tax benefits also. Bonus, 500 rupees SIP at age 23 could become 1 crore by the time you retire at 60. Just 500 rupees SIP. So take this step and start the step number 2 on how do you take 3 smart steps to secure your financial future when you're starting a new job in India. 3 smart steps, 1 step at a time. Now you may be wondering what could be the third one, because that could be very critical. Yes, it is critical, and you must do it today before you actually start investing. So these steps are not in this sequence. This could be the first step. I tell all my clients, actually clients who refer me their children or getting into their first salary, first job, first month, when they get the salary, or the first quarter rather, I would say buy a term insurance. Let's say your income, gross income is about 5 lakhs. So after 3 months, when you get your salary slip and you have your bank statement ready with 3 months of your salary being credited, that proof is required that your salary, your joining letter, your identity card, these 3-4 documents put together, you could buy a term insurance for 50 lakh rupees or 1 crore rupees. That is to overcome any financial difficulties your family could face because of your loss of life. If there is no need, postpone this for 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years when the need arises. If there is no need right now, there is actually no need to buy term insurance. Within this insurance is step 3B. Step 3B. Buy your own health cover today. Even if your company offers 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, or 5 lakhs of health insurance cover, take your health insurance cover today from a reputed health insurance company which has got least claim rejection ratio, or rather the best settlement ratio, is a brand you know about, is good in their policy features which you want, and is accessible a human person. So consult a health insurance advisor in person, taking details, understanding, reading terms and conditions, disclaimers, disclosures, giving all the disclosures, filling up the health insurance form. Today is actually online, and declaring everything what you might have adverse health. So buy health insurance cover today. Therefore, your first job, your first liability, cover it. Take a term insurance cover and health insurance cover. Dirt cheap. For a 1 crore term insurance, it's like 800 rupees a month, or about 9,000-10,000 rupees at the age of 23, 25, 27. If there is no adverse health. And a 5 to 10 lakhs health insurance cover, separate from your company or your own self, could be just about 10,000 or 20,000 rupees depending on category or type of insurance cover you are having. Now, if you already had insurance cover within your family, a floater, then you could also consider porting it out to your self-individual cover, because now you're looking at your lifetime. You just started with your job. So this individual could be ported out to a new health insurance company, and this could cover any expenses which comes from day one, because you're porting from a previous health insurance company to a new health insurance cover. And this does matter. It also covers up to 1 or 3 months before you get hospitalized, up to 180 days after you get out of the hospital. So health insurance self is important, and you could consider various policies to suit your requirement as such. Therefore, to sum up, also do. Now, here are my bonus tips. Start building your credit score. Take a secured credit card where you spend 10% of the total limit, repaying in full. Why? Because you will need this score for future loans whenever they arise, a home loan, business loan. Take these 3 steps. How you can take these 3 steps, I've explained, to secure your financial future today when you're getting into your first salary or first job, first quarter. You like these 3 steps? Don't wait to start. Comment start below before you are ready. Download my free financial ebook today, or go and buy, send a word freedom. I'll send you the paid ebook. Share with your friends and tell them how to take 3 smart steps to secure your financial future when they are starting their job in India. This is Taresh Bhatia. Thank you for watching, and I trust you like this video. For more such videos, do comment in the comment section below what other topics you would like me to cover. Thank you.